see it. Wow. So big that they had to do a 20-meter circle. There's a fish? Yeah, like, see this big tree over here? Go down a little bit until where it's a little bit murkier. There are two sides. One is the big tree, and one is the old tree. One of these sides is where they filmed Ewoks, Star Wars.
Signal.
Wi-Fi.
Actual Wi-Fi.
There should be. Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi! Where Alaska needs to learn from BC here, Vancouver Island, we have charger and Wi-Fi.
Alaska.
Yeah.
Look, it's a rare creature in its natural habitat. Called a dog. It's crazy.
Shouldn't have been. some no-name town. Everybody's got a dream, I like them best when I'm in it. Coming around the corner, I'll be there in a minute. And I'm coming up on something sweet. I'm leaving with the first person I meet. I'm holding on, I'm
Coming up.
for the moment when all goes wrong. Yeah, these are the days that follow you. These are the days that kiss you on your broken nose. These are the days I don't miss the feeling of being alone. These are the days, these are the days, and we can do anything we want for a while. They say and tell you to behave with a smile. Don't turn and run away. Don't hide, 'cause we can do anything we want for a while. I think we're gonna be okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna be okay. These are the days that follow you home. These are the days that kiss you on your broken nose. These are the days I don't miss the feeling of being alone. These are the days, these are the I think we're gonna be okay.
What is it?
We found a cool
The cappuccino. So I learned one of the original classic Canadian cocktails. It's basically a black or a white Russian with a shot of espresso.
That'd make it much better.
That was smooth.
What was it? A wolf on the 14th, a humpback on the 15th.
You what people saw?
Yeah. I got it. Go like, you know? Yeah, just come to the walls. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Woke up
this morning like I could rule the whole damn world. Left the house with the fit so crisp. Got my neighbors asking, who's that girl? Who's that girl? Oh, it's me. 2 hours asleep. Don't mean a thing. So fresh, so clean. I know. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good sunshine. Everything's alright. No cloud nine. Today's gonna be a good sunshine. Everything's alright. No cloud nine. Today's gonna be a good.
Found some peace and broken pieces that would keep me up and sleepless every night. Was so caught up in my pain, I lost myself along the way, but I will get it right. Look to the light, no rain without rainbows. I'm wrapped in my raincoat, and while I'm at it, grab some rain boots too. I'm breaking in my new dancing shoes. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be good. Sunshine, everything's alright. No cloud nine. Today's gonna be good. Sunshine, everything's alright. No cloud nine. Today's gonna be good.
Take flight without a pair of Jordans. Still managed to make a fortune out my misfortunes. Thankful that I got now today, don't need a big portion. New day and new 24, I'm making sure I live for it. Moving carefreely, might have a meeting with nature. Maybe hug a tree, then later might scrape my knee on the pavement. Mr. Sun is out today, I go outside just to thank him for the flowers and the green. Holy shit, that's global warming, but everything is okay. Make lemonade out of life lemons. That's the gift that keeps giving. Never change how I'm feeling, cause I'm feeling myself. Keep my loved ones close, never did it myself, but I'll pick up myself. All smiles on me. Got love, peace, and happiness to find all three. Good day, good day, good day it is indeed. Hope you have a good day from you to me.
Soak up the sunshine, everything's alright. Nothing to cloud nine. Soak up the sunshine, everything's alright. Nothing to cloud nine. Soak up the sunshine, everything's alright. Nothing to cloud nine. Soak up the sunshine, everything's alright. Nothing to cloud nine. Soak up the sunshine, everything's alright. Nothing to cloud nine.
Ain't nothing gonna take me down today.
Soak up the sunshine, everything's alright.
Swear to
No
God.
cloud nine.
It's gonna be a good one.
When he asked me if I had something to say to the world, see, let me explain. I stepped on the scale, had my mind in a twirl, and realized I was carrying the weight of the world. Who else would bear the burden, give the shirt on their back, rejuvenate the streets and rehabilitate rap? You see, these minds is trapped, and I can see where they at, living in these fantasies that's about to collapse. I see a breach in their heart when I reach in their heart and grab them before more ignorance starts to kill our communities, drain our true abilities, frame us. The picture's the same, most of y'all feeling me, the rest of y'all not, cause you're missing the point, trying to blow up the spot and fill a slot of a new age slave. It's a shame how our people behave, got our roots turning over in graves, gotta walk on the path that they pave. I'm not the first or the last of the braves to break chains.
But come to think about it, I want to get free and ease my mind, but I just can't get away. And come to think about it, I want to get free and ease my mind, but we gotta find a better way. Yo.
lane, I maintain. I'm making moves, I gotta get paid. Know what I'm talking about? I'm bout it, yep, your boy's bout it. I got it together, now I'm hot, so don't doubt it. Shut down all the clowns when I shout it. Shout, shout, let it all out. It's the FAT, bitch, ask about it. Know what I'm saying? Cause I'm these mashing, Trey be mashing. Sierra singing on the hook with that passion like yeah. You know, sometimes when you're surrounded around a lot of haters, a lot of negative, gotta get away from the negativity. Can't nobody let nobody stomp your light out, stop your shine, take away your beauty.
Well, come to think about it, I want to get free and ease my mind, but I just can't get away. And come to think about it, I want to get free and ease my mind, but we gotta find a better way.
I have no clue of what you go through. I don't know how you do what you do, but you must been blessed with the strength to deal with the stress. The way you separate yourself from the rest is so fresh. And yes, you give them all something to talk about. They all need something to talk about. Might as well be you. The people wanna see what you all about and see if you gon' give it your all amount. That's all that counts. I wonder how it feels to be you. 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 I wonder how it feels.
Come to think about it, I want to get free and ease my mind, but I just can't get away. And come to think about it,
Are you missing a shoe?
I want to get free and ease my mind, but we gotta find a better way. Well, come to think about it, I want to get free and ease my mind, but I just can't get away.